Today I'll show you how to build and animate your own cutout character based on this dog of Foo from the National Museum of Ireland's collection at Collins Barracks. You'll need card, Blu Tack, glue, cotton wool and whatever other glamorous materials you'd like to add. When designing your character, try to break it down into simple shapes that can overlap. Try to think about how the character will fit together. Here I want the ears and lower jaw to be able to move, so I've drawn in how they will fit together. Once the character is designed, scribble on the back of the page and then transfer the segments bit by bit onto the card by drawing over them. So, when you have your character built, you can stick them together just using bits of Blu Tack. Kind of apply those there where you want to be able to move things. Make sure in this case that the mouth can be moved up and down. This could even be removed if you want to be able to open the mouth. Some Blu Tack there, moving that head, and I have an eyelid here that I can stick on for a blink, like a half eyelid. And anything that you don't want to move, stick it down with some Blu Tack. Here also we have some substitution flames, so we'll just swap these out when we're animating to make the flames grow bigger. And then also for smoke we have some cotton wool. You can get some really nice effects, really nice smoke effects from cotton wool. Even as it's disappearing, you just kind of try and rip it up smaller and smaller. Download a stop motion app onto your phone. There are a few of these available. Two I would suggest are Stop Motion Studio or Clay Frames. Set up a space to shoot your animation. Light it with lamps in a dark room so that the light isn't constantly changing. Here I've set the character and background on the floor. I've placed the phone on this sturdy piece of cardboard and cut a hole into it for the camera to look through, in order to get some clearance from the table. Use some Blu Tack or tape to stick your phone in place. You don't want it moving when you touch the screen to take a picture. Then you just shoot your animation frame by frame. 12 frames per second is a good frame rate to use for playback. If you can get it to work on a loop, even better. Here's mine in slow motion.